Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn our framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learning about how to call the Apex method and retrieve list of record using imperative and wire services in LWC component. So friends, in this lesson, we will be see two example. First example, we will be retrieve list of record of account using button click. So once click on the button and display the list of record of account, that is called imperative. Second example, we will be see wire services. So wire services, whenever call the LWC component to the browser, the list of record of account will be automatically fetch and display the component. So in this lesson, we will be see two examples. First example, we will be display the list of record using the click button, that is a imperative. And second example, we will be display once call the component, the list of record of account will be displayed automatically. So that is a wire services. So in this lesson, we will be see two type of example in LWC component. So follow the steps to achieve the scenario. To achieve the scenario, we need to follow three type of steps. Step number 1, step number 2, and the step number 3. So friends, in the step number 1, we need to first create Lightning app. Here I created custom app, that is my Lightning app. Step number 2, we need to click on the gear icon. There is an option edit the page. Once edit the page, we need to call my LWC component. So here you can see in the LWC component, there are two examples I covered. First example, that is the imperative. Imperative, that means once click on this button, the list of account record will be displayed inside the table here. And second example, this is a using other wire decorator to retrieve lead record. So here you can see on click button, I am displaying the list of account. And second, I am using wire decorator to retrieve lead of record. So in this lesson, we will be covered two of example, imperative method and wire services in LWC component. So now let's jump to my Salesforce org where we will be see lab demo example. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org. In the credential org, I open my Lightning Studio. In the Lightning Studio, I open my LWC component. So here you can see this is my LWC imperative by HTML. This is a LWC component. This is a component JavaScript. This is a meta XML file. And this is a style CSS. So in the HTML file, first we need to cover imperative method. So imperative method that once click on the button, we will be display the list of record of account. So first you can see I using a div. This is a main container. Inside the div, I created another one div. Inside the div, I created a button. This is a lightning button. So this is a variant brand label get account. Once click on the button, we will be get list of account record. And here I am passing the method on click. So once click on the button, this method of the JavaScript will be called. Method name is account action. So in the top, first I created a button. After that, I created a lightning card. In the lightning card, I am using a title. In the title, I am passing using imperative method to retrieve account record. So inside the lightning card, I am creating a table. So in the table, this is a table of head. Then I created a tier. In the first tier, I creating a heading of the table. This is a name, phone, industry, and type. And after T head, I started a T body. This is a table of body. Inside the table of body, here I am using template. So here I am displaying the template. I am applying for design 4 item. This is a 4 that I store the record of account. So one by one I am displaying account of record using this item. So friends, here you can see I am displaying name, phone, industry, and type of account. So once click on this button, the imperative method will be called and we will be display list of account record. So this is a method number 1. After that, this is the close tag imperative method. So imperative method from a start here and close here. And after that, we are starting at the rate wire decorator. So friends, using the wire decorator, we will be fetch list of lead record So here you can see a starting lightning card. In the lightning card, I am passing title. In the title, I am using at the rate y to retrieve lead record. So friends, in the imperative method, we will fetch list of account record, and using the y we will fetch the list of lead record. So fetching the lead record, first I created a table, then I applied table of head, then I created first tier. In the first tier, I am creating a table of head. So in the table of head, I am mentioning name, title, phone, and email of the lead. Then I created a table of body. Inside the table of body, I am applying template. So here I am using the for each and for item. So here I am retrieving list of lead record dynamically using the for each and for item. Here you can see lead list I am passing. It is a variable that is coming from the JavaScript. So this lead list variable is storing all of the lead record that is fetching from the Apex controller. So this is a four item lead item. One by one, I am retrieving list of the lead record inside the TR here. So if you using the template for each four item, the key is a mandatory. So in the key, always pass the record of the ID. Similarly, here you can see I am passing key. This is the account of the ID. So if you using the template for each four item, key is a mandatory. So in the imperative method, I am retrieving list of the account record, and using the wire decorator, I am retrieving list of the lead record. So friends, now let me jump to my JavaScript file. Here you can see I created a Apex controller. The name of the Apex controller is LWC imperative wire controller. So now let me open my controller. This is the name of the controller. Search here. This is a LWC imperative wire controller. I open my controller. So here you can see in this controller, I created two type of method. First method to retrieve the list of account, and second method to the retrieve list of the lead. So friends, one by one, I am importing all of the method in the JavaScript file here. So this method, I am importing list of the lead, and this method, I am importing list of the account. Similarly, I created two method here. This is the account action. This method I calling in the button. So you can see in the HTML, first I create a button. On the button click, I am passing a method. So account action, this is a method name. Once click on the button, this method will be called, and by help of this method, I am fetching the list of record of account. So here you can see this is a account list. This is a tag variable. This tag variable I am passing to the HTML here, and one by one, I am retrieving list of record of account. So here you can see this is a result. So all of the pages list of record of account will be stored in the result, and this result I am storing this. This is a track variable. So this track variable I am applying on the template in the for each here, and one by one I am displaying all of the record value. Similarly, I am using another one services that is a wire decorator services. So first I am using other track. This is a lead list. This lead list I am applying in the for each wherever I am retrieving the list of lead record. Here you can see I am applying for each lead list. So this track wherever I am applying in the HTML here, and here you can see this is a wire decorator method. So first I am importing method. This is a lead method. So first I am importing this method I am calling here. Then I am applying a adapter. This is a adapter. So this is the error and data. If any kind of issue during fetching the record of lead, it will be displayed the console log here. If record fetching successfully, then it will be go on the else condition. This is a data. So here you can see in the adapter, I am passing two type of the parameter error and data. So if any kind of issue during the fetch the record, it will be displayed in the console log here. If data fetches successfully, then all of the data will be stored in this track variable. So this track variable I am calling into the HTML here. Here I am displaying list of record of lead and display on the LWC component here. So here I am using two type of the method. First method for the imperative. So this method calling on the button. This method using for the wire decorators. Whenever call this component to the browser, the list of the record of lead will be automatically displayed. Now let me move on the MetaXML file. So friends, here you can see this is a MetaXML file. In the MetaXML file, I am using targets and target. So in the target, I am applying app page, record page, and home page. That means this LWC component only visible on the app page, record page, and home page. Now I am move on the style CSS. So friends, here you can see I added two style CSS class, table, column, pad. So these classes I am adding on the HTML. Here you can see I added the class name that is created in the style CSS here. So both of the table I added a style CSS here. Now let me move on the Apex class controller. So friends, here you can see in the Apex class controller I created two methods. First method for the imperative, that is click on the button, we will retrieve list of account. So here I am writing a SQL query for the list of account and retrieving name, phone, industry, type from account. Here I am mentioning limit because there are so many record of the account. So here I am displaying only 10 record in the LWC component. And second method for the using that byte operator to call it from server. So here you can see I am creating a method that is a get lead list. So first I am using at the rate or enable customer equal to true. So whenever you retrieve data using whether byte equator, it is a mandatory to apply at the rate or enable customer equal to true. Here I am writing a SQL query for the list of the lead. This is the name of the list of record of lead, and here I am writing a SQL query for the lead. Select ID, name, title, phone, email from lead. Here I am also mentioning limit 10 because there are number of the record of the lead. So here I am only display only 10 record of the lead. Then I returning list of the record of lead. So both of the method first I am importing in the JavaScript here, and one by one I am retrieving list of the account and list of the lead. And this component I will be called to the custom app. So friends, now let me jump to my Salesforce org. So this is my Salesforce org. First we will be call the LWC component to the Lightning custom app. So this is my custom app. First go to the gear icon, delete the page, and call my LWC component. So friends, my LWC component name is LWC imperative wire. So when we search LWC imperative wire in the search box, LWC imperative wire. This is my LWC component. Simply select and drag and drop here and save the page. Once save the page successfully, then go back. And here you can see my component display on the custom app. So this is a get account. So this is a imperative method. Once click on the button, the list of the account record will be displayed inside the table. So now let's click here. You can see list of record automatically get and display on the table here. Here you can see I am another one function using the wire decorator. So once call this LWC component, this list of the lead record automatically display on the component. So not need to click button. Once call the component on the custom app, this list of record of lead will be automatically displayed. So here I am covered two type of the method. First is a imperative method. So imperative method always work whenever click on the button, then display the list of the record of account. Second one is a wire decorator. So wire decorator will be automatically fetch the record once call the component on the browser. Friends, if you find value in my content, consider making a small donation to support the channel. Friends, as you know, my content is designed to guide you step by step through real world scenarios. I am ensuring, friends, you get practical and hands-on experience inside the tutorial. Friends, if my video bringing value to your learning journey, consider making a small donation to support the continued creation of high quality tutorial for you. Your small donation will motivate me to produce even more in-depth content for you. Friends, I would like to a special thank to everyone for a small donation to support the channel. Friends, after making a small donation, please send me your donation screenshot on my email or WhatsApp. I will send you an exclusive ebook bonus gift with advanced sales for tips, tricks, and strategy to take your skill to the next level. So, friends, by donating, you are not just investing in only your own growth, you are contributing to the success of countless other as well. So friends, here you are thinking after donating what you are will be get bonus as a gift. So now let me explain about what you will be get bonus after donating and support to me. Friends, scan QR code from here and make a small donation to support the channel. After support the channel, please share your screenshot on my email or WhatsApp so that we can send you an exclusive bonus gift on your email. So friends, here you can see I will be send you bonus gift as two ebook. These are the books you are very powerful in the sales force. First ebook you are Master of X Trigger and second ebook you are Sales for Tutorial. So friends, both of the ebook published on Amazon. If you check on the Amazon, this is the Apex Trigger and this is a Sales for Tutorial. So friends, the Apex Trigger, the price on the Amazon is 333 rupees and sales for tutorial, the price on Amazon is 199 rupees. So both of the ebook I will provide as a bonus gift after donating and support to this channel. Friends, so these are the ebook you will be get after donating and supporting to the channel. So friends, after donating a small amount to the channel, please share your screenshot on this email ID and you can share your screenshot on WhatsApp on this phone number. So friends, after making a small donation to this channel, I will be share both of the ebook on your email so that you will be get so many tips, trick and strategy in the sales force. So friends, let's grow together, watch, donate and start your journey to get success by today. Friends, if you want to soft copy code of all files, check on description of this video. In the description of this video, I will provide live demo scenarios link so that you can simply copy and paste to create functionality in your personal org. And you will be save lot of time, energy and effort. Friends, you can also schedule a meeting with me. I will provide schedule meeting link in the description of this video. If you are stuck in any kind of issue during development, schedule meeting with me. I will help you to resolve the issue. You will be get schedule meeting link in the description of this video. You can schedule meeting with me as per your availability date and time. Thank you.